Hey everyone, building a fence can be a great DIY project, but it's easy to make mistakes. Today, I'm sharing the top 3 mistakes to avoid when building your fence. Let's get started. Mistake 1. Not checking property lines. This is crucial. Failing to confirm where your boundaries are can lead to disputes with neighbors. Always refer to your property survey and, if necessary, consult a professional surveyor. Mistake 2. Skipping the planning phase. It might be tempting to jump right in, but planning is key. Consider the type of fence you want, the materials you'll use, and your budget. A solid plan will save you time and money in the long run. Mistake 3. Improper installation techniques. Make sure to set your posts deep enough, about 1/3 of their height, so your fence is stable. And don't forget to use a level to ensure everything is straight. By avoiding these 3 common mistakes, you'll set yourself up for a successful fence project. Should you require professional help, contact us at 781-767-3596 or on our website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.